Hi Facebook friends, how are you today? Saturday afternoon. I'm Bess McCarty, coach for network marketers, also the shrink of MLM. Today I want to let you know what we're doing in case you might know network marketers who can use this. We're giving away some free personal growth books and a bunch of free personal growth books and also some tickets to an event for network marketers where we will teach for free how to always get a yes. This is the simplest, best method that I've ever seen in network marketing, and you can get get this or register for this at the free link in the comments. It's a free event. Registering for that event gets you registered for the free book giveaway, which is going to happen at the event. So we'd love to have you. First of all, I'd like to tell you about the books. There's a number of books, personal growth books that were given away, including John Maxwell and other ones. John Maxwell's the #1 leadership expert in the world. And why are we doing this? Why are we giving away books? Because it's essential to our success to spend about 30 to 60 minutes a day at least with personal growth. Not to replace action, but it's very crucial for success to work on ourselves, as Jim Rohn says, right? You work on yourself too. And that's what business is about. So in addition to that, this is giving away the books is our way to help people do their personal growth, and that will be given away at the free event. But that's not the best part of the free event. The best part is what we're going to be teaching. And this method is going to be on July 7th, Sunday. So people are marking their calendars now. And what we're going to teach is how to always get a yes that when prospecting in network marketing. It's the best system that I've seen, and I'm going to describe that in a little bit. But in my 40 years in this profession, it's the one that I love teaching the most, that gets the most proven results within our generic school, the MLM Millionaire Club School for Network Marketers, which we've been teaching. I've been running the school now for 10 years. We've been teaching this method in the school for about a year. And it has gotten huge results with people, so we know it's been proven, tested, and everything. Here's what one of our students are saying. Hi Deborah, welcome. Here's what one of our students and friends and clients in the school is saying. Rebecca Lee says, I don't know, she sent us a picture, and she said, I don't know if you can see my backpack, but I've been carrying this around since starting class with you. It goes everywhere with me, even to bed. I've never done this before, but no matter where I am, if I have a moment, then I will pull this out and work on something. So thank you, Rebecca, for that comment. We know that this is changing lives. Now, who are the teachers? Jeffrey David Gamble has been a network marketer for network marketing and direct seller for 24 years. He has personally recruited over 500 people, and he's built teams to over 11,007 countries in 3 years. So it's pretty cool. He's also an incredible entrepreneur. He is a real estate mortgage loan officer, a real estate broker owner. He is a naturopathic doctor, runs a holistic center with his fiance. He's a Reiki master, does massage, and he also loves teaching as much as I do. So we love teaching network marketers. He's also a John Maxwell trainer, speaker, and coach. Who am I? Bess McCarty, holistic health practitioner, body-mind therapist for 30 years. I've also called the shrink of MLM because I've helped personally hundreds of network marketers break through blocks, negative beliefs, and fears to their success. Now, I was a previous network marketer for years, an award-winning one, helped me raise my son as a single mom. But now I'm a dedicated generic coach, because when my company went out of business, then I went into the personal growth field, and now I bring this back to network marketers and just dedicated to devoting myself to that and not being in a company. I'm also a minister, healer, teacher, martial artist, Reiki master, massage therapist, and a whole lot more, a whole string of other things that I do, and have the tools that I bring to people for the overall healing, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual. The network marketer is my favorite to work with, even though I help people with their careers, relationships, and health. But network marketers are my favorite because I want very much an advocate of this profession. I really want to help people to be home with their kids, get free of abusive bosses, have a good retirement, get out of debt, and all that. So, hello, Sherry, welcome. Everybody who's here, can't quite, yeah, welcome. Welcome. And if you're watching the replay, please type in replay because I want to thank you for that. And also like to hear where the heck in the world you're watching from. That interests me too. So, who do we help? Now I've told you what we're going to do. We're going to have an event on open house on July 7th, Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're going to have a book giveaway at that time. You can register for both those things, get a free ticket to that event, which registers you for the event. This may not be for you, but actually I'm speaking to you in case you might know network marketers who could use this. So yeah, they might like if you comment, tag, share, tag them here or share this video with them so they can take advantage of this. So who do we help? Who do we help? Who do Jeff and I help in our school and individually do private coaching and group coaching in the school? So I titled this show, The Message to the Struggling. And this is in case that you might know someone, a network marketer, who's been in their company for 6 months or more and struggling. Struggling to get customers, to find people to talk with, to sign them up as customers or distributors who are getting discouraged, who are getting burned out, who are part of the NFL club, No Friends Left club, who are struggling to know the best thing to say to people, who are confused by all the information out there and how long do you try something before you know if it works, right? A technique. Who are struggling to find the right people for their team or to get their team to produce. Who don't feel comfortable asking, maybe network marketers who feel kind of scared, not comfortable asking people to buy their product or join their business. They're having a hard time getting people to watch the video or having a hard time getting people to come to the events. If you know someone struggling with these, they are not alone because most network marketers are. Here's my question. Do they have a plan to change that? Because I have a plan. A proven one that really, really works. And it's simple, easy, and we're teaching it for free at this event on Sunday, July 7th, this open house. We know that it's worked because for a year our students are coming back and telling us, wow, I've got more appointments than ever. I'm signing up more people than ever, and I'm jumping more ranks than ever. So they say using these methods, using these simple methods. It's not hard, it's easy, it's duplicatable. And in fact, the method always gets a yes, does not get a no, takes away fear, bypasses objections, works with all 4 personalities, cultures, influence levels, gender, does not need a video. It's simple, easy, and duplicatable. So this is what we're going to be teaching on July 7th for free at this event, July 7th, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Central, 2 p.m. Mountain, and 1 p.m. Pacific Time. But here's something special that I'm adding into that. If you don't want to wait that long, I have if the people that you know, the network marketers that you know that maybe could use this, they might not want to wait that long. So what I have is a free complimentary coaching session with me, a 20-minute one, where we will cover where they want to go, what's in the way, and how to overcome that. And I will tell them my plan for overcoming the obstacles. So if they would like a complimentary coaching session with me, just have them private message me the best time to call them and the best number to call them at. And we will take it from there. Very appreciate you very much for sharing with people and helping other people. Also, they can get a free ticket at the event, which I'll post in just a minute when I complete this live. That is a free ticket at Eventbrite. That gets them into the event on July 7th, but also registers them for the drawing for all the free books we're going to be giving away. It'll be a bunch. So it's a win-win-win. We love giving to the profession this way, and I will close now, post that link, and hope to see the people that we can help at the event. Thank you. If you know of network marketers struggling, sharing this video with them. Thank you so much. Let's change the world. Let's help people to have better lives. That's what we're doing. Thanks. Take care. Bye.